Are you wondering if you can use Venmo without a bank account? It's a question a lot of people have, especially in a world where we're looking for more flexibility with our money. The short answer is yes, you can. But the real question is, what does that actually look like, and what are the limitations? Venmo is a peer-to-peer payment app. At its core, it's designed to help you send and receive money from friends and family, and for that basic function, you don't need to link a bank account. When someone sends you money, it lives in your Venmo balance, and you can use that balance to pay other people or to make purchases at approved merchants. However, the moment you want to move money out of Venmo, or add money into Venmo from an external source, you'll need a connected account. This is where the bank account comes in, but it's not the only option. You can link a debit card or a prepaid card to your Venmo account. These allow you to add funds and can even be used to transfer money out of your Venmo balance, though there might be a small fee for an instant transfer. The best solution for using Venmo without a bank account is often the Venmo debit card. This card is directly linked to your Venmo balance. You can use it to make purchases anywhere MasterCard is accepted, and you can even withdraw cash from ATMs. It essentially turns your Venmo balance into a fully functional checking account without the need for a traditional bank. So, while you can absolutely get by on Venmo without a bank account for basic peer-to-peer payments, the experience is limited. For the full range of features, like being able to cash out your balance to a physical account or easily add money whenever you need it, you'll want to link a card or, even better, get the Venmo debit card. It gives you the freedom to manage your money in a way that works for you. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.